Who is John Thornhill? John Thornhill is a UK-based internet marketer, who has gained a lot of credibility in the internet marketing world. He is one of the guys to go, especially when it comes to affiliate marketing, clickbank profits and traffic strategies. For more than 10 years he has dominated the Clickbank marketplace as a seller and as an affiliate. He set benchmarks and records for other fellow marketers. Regarding his success, John still might excel many of his competitors and followers. The list of his launches is probably not the longest one in the industry, but still his sales shoot through the roof. I bought 4 products so far from John: Clickbank Star, the niche marketing kit, and the Goldrush with Michael Cheney. The perhaps most important one is his 52-week personal coaching program, which is currently offering a free trial. I can recommend without any hesitation to make use of this promotion. At least in case you have the clear intention to stop wasting time buying product after product or being sidetracked by so-called opportunities. John Thornhill's course about the Clickbank marketplace. One of them is perhaps the best-known course about working as an affiliate and seller on the Clickbank platform. No fluff, no theoretical stuff, not at all academic in any way, an in-depth going video-based course. It is all about the do's and don'ts of promoting own products and those of other entrepreneurs on this leading platform for digital products. Going through this course, you very fast realize that John walks his talk. John is not a guru hiding behind a mask. He rather appears to show up as an individual eager to convince his customers to follow his pragmatic step-by-step approach to success. At least I personally got the feeling quite fast that John would also spill the beans drinking a pint of beer with us in a British pub. He will probably still remain the same guy. That lifts him a bit out of the crowd of internet marketing experts that I could observe during the past 15+ years. I myself have been specializing for a long time in SEO, SEM and C projects. I worked with local, national and sometimes international clients. But at the same time I also watched, analyzed and eventually tested internet marketing concepts. Concepts created by well-known and not so well-known individuals of the small business and IM industry. Among them John is one of the most inspiring guys, alongside Rich Schefren, Mark Joyner or Eben Pagan. Instructive videos. In his videos you might detect an amazing Sunderland accent, but this is something that makes him appear even more authentic. John definitely takes care of his own style to educate people. He is operating with a small support team and his alter ego Randy Smith, which is contributing to his products and launched several own products too.